Happy New Year, everybody. Hope everybody's having a great, happy, and safe New Year's Day, guys. Just want to wish everybody a happy New Year. Come on, 2025. Here we come, baby. Onward, upward, to better and bigger things, I'm hoping, guys. But anyway, guys, as you can see, we got the old E-Flite Eratix out. Been a while. I ended up breaking my rudder rod, broke, but I just take me something on there to make it work. But I mean, as you can see, it's working. So this is going to be the first flight. This has got updated with AS3X Plus and all that good stuff. So yeah. All right, guys, without further ado, let's get her up and get her trimmed out, have some fun with this thing. It's a blast. See what safe looks like. Our safe, guys, that's my setup. Out of safe. Just trying to get her trimmed. Oh, I forgot how fun this thing was, guys. Look at that, guys. Hands free upside down. Check it out. Ain't that crazy? Batteries have been running a while. One was still charged. And that's low rates, guys. That's 70% right there. Look at that. And 100%. That's 100% and no expo right here, guys. See how twitchy it is? Now we can go into 100% and 40% expo. Now look at this. Now look how smooth. Plus you still got enough to do your stuff. Go back into AS3X. Oh yeah. Look at this, guys. This is right here, the out of AS3X. And I mean, you can kind of see it's a little twitchy. Now watch this, go into AS3X mode. Oh man. Safe. Oh yeah, safe looks good. Let's go into the, it's actually going in a circle, huh? That's probably the rudder. All right, guys, I guess we got her trimmed. The battery's just about dead. But guys, I mean, honestly, this thing is fun. Alright guys, I guess we better land her. Awesome. There we have it, guys. Forgot how fun this little thing was. It's crazy good. Crazy, crazy good. I love it. All kinds of throws. Oh yeah, guys. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Anyway, guys, hope y'all enjoyed it. Just like I said earlier, Happy New Year's, everybody. Hope everybody's have a safe and happy holiday, guys. Gonna have to go back to work tomorrow, boy. I dread that after being off. But anyway, at least we got out here to get us some flights in before the wind starts. It's supposed to be pretty windy today. So anyway, guys, till we do it again, stay fine and God bless. Don't hit that like, share, and subscribe button, guys. Sure would appreciate it. Bye, bye, bye.